Greetings from Lotoka campus. Today we will be discussing on proposed project proposal which is based on MONASAVU Eco Resort. Our group members are Aisha, Shaista, Taiba, Upeshna and myself Shahil. MONASAVU Eco Resort and Location. The Naitasiri province is a hidden jewel of Fiji. The MONASAVU Eco Hotel will be located just off the MONASAVU Lake, which is full of lush tropical views. People that want to engage into sustainable, eco-friendly practices will be the target market of this hotel. It will be a peaceful place to escape from the busy towns and cities for a relaxing atmosphere. The hotel will be located just by the Nanuku River, which is approximately 60 kilometers northwest of Suva. This is an approximate of 2.5 kilometers from the center of Suva. The area has a lot to offer like falls and famous dam which provides hydroelectric power. The hotel will take up 9.8 acres of land. Just more detailed on the location, it will be located just off the MONASAVU Lake, and this is the view of the MONASAVU Lake. Moving on, I would like to introduce my friend Aisha, who will be discussing on the introduction, potential market, and how this will fill the marketplace.
The reason why we have chosen this particular product is due to this area is untouched and not many people have been to MONASAVU. So which is why we thought that the location would be a best place to build this product, which is accommodation. Moving on to the potential market, our potential markets are international tourists and locals, explorers, tour groups, and retreat groups. How will the chosen product fill the gap in the marketplace? First point, creates awareness on environmental conservation, maintains and promotes sustainable use of resources in terms of natural, social, cultural, and for long-term sustainable tourism. Next point, involves local communities in the tourism sector, and not only it benefits them but also improves the quality of tourism experience. The reason why we are deciding to involve the local communities is because in the area of MONASAVU there are many schools and villages, and which is why due to our farming techniques, every local will get involved in this and they will learn the farming techniques which will be taught in the resort. Next is supports local economic activities through sustainable farming, which takes the environmental cost into account. It not only supplies to the resort but it also will be supplied to the local economies. Nature-based eco-resort will help to reduce impact on environment and creates opportunity for tourists to explore nature. Locals get to experience farming of non-native fruits in the most unexplored parts of Fiji, which is strawberries, grapes, peaches, and berries. Since the temperature at MONASAVU is perfect and it has a cold climate, these fruits can be grown. Reduces overconsumption and waste and avoids the cost of restoring long-term environmental damage. Whatever waste produced will be used as natural fertilizers. The resort is solar powered, which helps to reduce greenhouse gas and emissions and carbon footprint. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon Upeshna to discuss the next few bullet points.
Moving on, the hotel activities will include forest tours, mountain climbing, sightseeing, sustainable farming experience, mat weaving, storytelling, and experiencing the multicultural cuisine. For example, in sustainable farming experiences, we can do crop rotation, for example, fruits and vegetables, and making use of renewable energy sources such as solar energy. Also, spas offers treatments, exercise programs, personal trainers, and specific food and beverage for health conscious guests. For example, treatment like facials, body treatments like massages. Exercise program includes Zumba, yoga classes, and other activities include most popular horse riding. Lastly, It's a sustainable practice that is planted to combat the effects of climate change, including activities that are sustainable and not harming the environment in any way. The sustainable practice would include such as developing recycle programs, solving energy and solar panels, and etc. Thank you. From here, Taiba will continue.
This slide states identifications of relevant literature that will be used in assignment part 2. The following sources include information from Google Scholar, ProQuest USP library, and some tourism textbooks from USP. Moreover, local documentaries and journal articles will also be researched through. Now I hand the presentation over to Shaz.
Data collection methods. In primary research, first is questionnaire. Questionnaires will be given out to the people of MONASAVU area as well as to the local area people and to the university students as well. Secondly, personal observation. It will be our group personal observation. Secondary research includes internet, USB library, magazines, documentaries, and encyclopedia. Detailed allocation of workload. Each member will be doing 2 topics, as you can see in this slide. These are the reference which will be used in part 2 assignment, and thank you.